Today was Makar Sankranti and Gattu and Chinky got ready early in the morning. Mummy, Papa, Gattu and Chinky were all wearing yellow clothes.
Mummy, Papa, let's go quickly to fly kites in the society. Yes, Tinky, I am so excited to celebrate Makar Sankranti with everyone. And this time, Shiva and Kirti Didi will also be with us, along with all our friends. Yes, and this is Bingo's first Makar Sankranti with us too.
Yes, children, let's go now.
Yes, come let's all do puja together.
Everyone goes together in front of the temple and performs puja to Lord Vishnu and Surya Dev. Mummy offers sesame seeds, jaggery and rice to the deities.
Here kids, Prasad, enjoy the sesame and jaggery laddus. Happy Makar Sankranti. Thank you. Happy Makar Sankranti to you too.
After eating the yummy prasad made by Mummy, everyone goes downstairs. The society grounds were bustling with activity. There were kite stalls everywhere and people were buying kites. Many colorful kites were flying in the sky.
Wow, today is going to be so much fun. Isn't it, Bingo? Hey Bingo, calm down.
Just then, Gattu and Chinky's friends Shiva, Hari, Guddi and Bunty arrived. Monty was also with them.
Happy Makar Sankranti, Gattu Chinky. Happy Makar Sankranti, Uncle Auntie. Happy Makar Sankranti to you too, friends. Yes, children. Happy Makar Sankranti.
Come on, Gattu and Chinky, we will fly kites. There are many beautiful kites in the stall here. Ha ha. But look, I already got the best kite. The biggest and the most beautiful. Watch, it will fly till the very end and cut all your kites. Ha ha ha.
No, nothing like that will happen, Monty. It doesn't matter what kind of kite you get. What matters are our kite flying skills. Yes, Chinky is absolutely right. And everyone knows that no one in the whole society flies a kite better than me.
Hearing Chinky's words, Monty starts laughing loudly.
What? What did Chinky say? Even a small child can fly a kite better than you, Chinky.
No, that's not true. Yes, Monty, Chinky is best at flying kites.
Okay then, let's have a competition. Let's see whose kite will get first cut out.
Okay, done. Okay, let's go and get our kites too, friends. Okay.
Bingo also follows behind everyone. Everyone takes their favorite kites.
Okay, let's start.
But Chinky notices that Monty had already flown his kite into the air.
Hey Monty, this is cheating. Why did you start flying your kite first?
There's no cheating in this, Chinky. Now stop talking and start the competition. Otherwise, your kite will remain on the ground.
Hearing this, Chinky also starts getting tensed and quickly flies her kite into the air and lets out the string. And in no time, her kite goes up high into the air and starts flying.
Wow, Chinky, very good.
Gattu was holding Chinky's kite string roll from behind to support her.
Now watch, Monty. I am going to take my kite higher than yours. Let's see.
Chinky lets out more string. And the kite flies even higher in the air, along with many other kites. Seeing this, all the other children are very happy. And they all start cheering them on.
Yay! Chinky, you reached on the top in just few seconds. Yes!
But not for long. Now I'll cut your kite, Chinky.
No.
Monty takes his kite higher in the sky. Seeing this, Chinky also takes her kite higher.
Take this.
Just then, Kirti Didi and Shiva arrive there.
Gattu, what is happening here? Welcome, Shiva. Here, Chinky and Monty are having a kite flying competition with each other.
Oh, kite flying competition. Very interesting.
Kirti Didi and Shiva watch Chinky and Monty flying their kites. Monty tries to cut the string of Chinky's kite. Chinky tries to save it. And then suddenly her eyes fall on Bingo. Bingo was running towards the stalls. And there was a large wooden board placed over there, which could easily fall.
Bingo, no! Don't go there! That board will fall on you!
But Bingo didn't listen and ran towards it anyway, because all he could see was the butterfly.
Oh no! What should I do now?
Chinky first looks at her kite and then at Bingo. And then she quickly lets go of her kite and runs towards Bingo. Gattu, standing behind her, says,
Hey Chinky, your kite!
but Chinky doesn't listen to anyone and quickly goes to Bingo. The board is about to fall when Chinky grabs Bingo and she moves away from there.
Are you okay, Bingo? You almost got hurt.
Everyone goes to Chinky. And in the meantime, Monty cuts Chinky's kite strings.
Oh no, Chinky. If you hadn't come, Bingo would have really been hurt by this board. Yes, Chinky, you gave up your competition to save Bingo's life. Oh, Bingo. We told you, right? That not to go near the stands. Look, because of you, I lost my kite competition.
Whatever, Chinky, I'm still the winner. And even if you haven't come to save Bingo, then also I would have still won. But never mind. Since you did a good deed, I forgive you.
Everyone in the society starts laughing at Monty's words. But then Papa says, Kids, Chinky gave up her competition to save Bingo's life. This teaches us an important lesson. That Makar Sankranti is not just a festival of flying kites, but also a festival to celebrate our good values. On this day, we should care for each other. Only then we will be able to celebrate any festival happily together.
Yes, Papa is absolutely right. Come on then, let's all fly kites together.
Come on, Monty. This time we'll definitely cut your kite.
Okay, Gattu, we'll see.
All the people in the society fly their kites in the air.